said don't take the underground. It's a long walk.
I'm just trying to Hi guys, looking for sightseeing? Is a walk or wonder barrel? Yes. Looking for sightseeing?
No, it's not, man. It's Andrew's first day. He's practicing giving information. He's not quite learned the something.
Yes. So speak to Darryl for your information and pay you for your tickets.
No.
Cheaper than Darryl.
Obviously.
Mexican style. Ja, Sibirien är då, det är nog Sibirien. Act like no, really.
Your body, women, you avoid change.
No, I don't know. Yeah,
Make
well,
a quickie. Go.
with my luck, cookies, you get it that. I thought I'd ask. What, mate?
Okay, so welcome to Princess Street Gardens. So this is Princess Street Gardens. Nice big monument over here. Don't know if the camera can do it any justice, but it's a pretty tall monument. And have a look at the statue over here. The Livingston Monument or statue. Look at it. Not sure if you can walk on the grass, but R. Marsfield and Co. Founders, London. Stop recording. Maar die ding is goed. Ek weet nie of ons kan drown hier doen. Kyk, as hulle nie wou gehad het 'n mens moet nie op die gras loop nie, dan kyk 'n ou kan hierso staan en 'n foto neem miskien. Nou, stop recording.